Yeah, they dodge my kiss.
Now we bush that.
Hello guys.
Hello guys, how you doing?
Hello everyone, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? So guys, we are doing a vlog today. We are going in search of a microwave. We want to buy a microwave. Baba said he wanted a new microwave.
Our microwave is old. We want to go and replace it.
We want to change it, but we have 3 different stores in mind to check to see the one we can get. So we are taking you guys along. You can see the kids at the back. So keep watching. Guys.
Give me a kiss before we.
I won't give you any kiss again.
You're not giving me any kiss again.
When I wanted to give you a kiss, you dodge it.
Oh yeah, bring the kiss.
I take back my kiss.
Bring the kiss, my friend.
I say I've taken back my kiss.
You not to do one magic.
Okay.
Yeah, so guys, we just left the first shop now. We didn't see any microwave. The other shop we're supposed to buy is at the back here, but now they have closed it down. It's not working again, so we just have one shop more to go to check, or I will order it online. That will be the only solution. So now we are going to the last place we have in mind. So keep watching guys.
One love.
Yeah, hello guys, we are home now. So we want to open the microwave. Okay. Okay, it's black color. I've always been buying white microwave. So this is my first time of having a black microwave. So I'm going to be taking it out now from the car. Yeah, so as you can see guys, it's very nice and beautiful. Okay, this is the manual. Okay. Okay. So I also bought this one with it. So it will not be splashing. Your food will not be splashing when you are warming it. So the microwave can be neat and clean. So that is it, guys. Taking this off. Okay. Okay. So microwave is ready. Look at it, guys. So I'm taking this back. So thank you so much guys for watching. See you in our next video. Bye guys.